Greetings. We wanted to take a look at the charts and the future of the financial markets today. But charts don't tell the whole story. If you want to know where the trillions are moving, you have to look at the power struggle behind the scenes. Imagine the global economy as a high-stakes casino. The house has run this game for 80 years, but lately, the VIP players think the boss has gone soft. You've got the Russian high roller flipping tables, thinking he can break the rules without bringing the whole building down. The Venezuelan player tried to hoard the chips, but as we saw, the boss already locked him up and took back the oil vault. In the Middle East, the Iranian syndicate is funding proxies to disrupt the game, keeping the entire casino on edge. And sitting quietly in the corner is the Chinese whale, whispering to everyone that the house is bankrupt and it's time for new management. The casino boss stayed quiet for a long time. People mistook his silence for weakness, but the boss wasn't sleeping. He was just locking the doors. He invited all the troublemakers to the VIP room for a friendly chat. They walked in expecting a negotiation. Instead, the doors bolted shut, the lights went out, and the boss cleaned house. The next morning, the casino opened as usual, but the troublemakers were gone. The message was clear: the house always wins. Sure, one day the American empire might actually collapse, but that day isn't today. We are watching a geopolitical Godfather sequence, the baptism scene where all the rival bosses get taken out simultaneously. This is the final act of the current global era. Over the next decade, a brutal new world order is being cemented, and the first pieces being violently rearranged on this board, the Middle East. The groundwork for this 10-year takeover is happening right now. The next 24 months are the flashpoint. Over the next 2 years, Washington is executing a ruthless two-pronged strategy. Objective 1, shock and awe, a visceral reminder of their military, political, and tech supremacy. They are taking the crown back by force, crushing the dissent. Objective 2, engineered inflation. The U.S. national debt is sitting at a terrifying $36 trillion. You can't pay that back with taxes. The only way out is a massive scam: inflate the currency and devalue the dollar. By pumping inflation, they magically shrink the real weight of the debt they owe to the rest of the world. For this dark financial magic to work, risk assets absolutely must explode in value. That means crypto, the U.S. stock market, and gold are literally programmed by the system to pump. This bull run isn't a coincidence. It's a structural necessity to keep the machine running until the debt maturity wall hits in 2027. Just a quick disclaimer, this is strictly macroeconomic analysis, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Bottom line, Washington is masking a deliberate economic devaluation with aggressive power projection, and we, the investors, are caught right in the middle of this massive geopolitical reset. On one side, we feel the shockwaves of the Middle East. On the other, we ride the tidal wave of U.S. money printing. What do you think? Will the U.S. successfully inflate its debt away, or are we heading for a crash? Let me know in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more.